sunlight and soil requirements for cassava. Here's an expanded description. Sunlight and soil. Nurturing cassava for optimal growth. Cassava, the resilient and versatile crop, thrives under specific conditions when it comes to sunlight and soil. Understanding these requirements is key to ensuring healthy growth and maximizing yields in your cassava farm. Sun-faced sunlight requirements. Cassava plants are lovers of sunlight, and they flourish in tropical climates with plenty of sunshine. Ideally, cassava requires at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. When selecting a location for your cassava farm, choose an area with ample exposure to sunlight throughout the day. This ensures that the plants receive the energy they need for photosynthesis, leading to robust growth. Seedling soil preferences. Cassava is known for its adaptability to various soil types, but it thrives in well-draining, loamy soils with a slightly acidic to neutral pH range of 5.5 to 6.5. The soil should be rich in organic matter to provide essential nutrients for the plant's development. Incorporating compost or well-rotted manure into the soil before planting can enhance its fertility. Tractor soil preparation. Prepare the soil by plowing or tilling to a depth of about 8 to 12 inches. This helps loosen the soil, improving aeration and root penetration. Remove any debris, rocks, or weeds that may hinder the cassava's growth. Additionally, consider performing a soil test to assess nutrient levels and make necessary amendments based on the results. Droplet watering practices. While cassava is relatively drought tolerant, consistent watering is crucial, especially during the first few months after planting. Water the plants evenly, and avoid waterlogging, as cassava roots can be susceptible to rot in excessively wet conditions. Implement a watering schedule that keeps the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Herb fertilization tips. Provide balanced fertilization to ensure that your cassava plants receive the necessary nutrients for optimal growth. A fertilizer with a ratio of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, NPK, of December 24, 12 is commonly recommended. Apply fertilizer during planting and subsequently based on the specific needs of your cassava crop. By catering to the sunlight and soil preferences of cassava, you set the stage for a thriving and productive crop. Experiment with these tips and share your experiences in the comments below. Happy farming! Seedling Sun Face.